What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, it's Andre. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 7 passive income ideas and how you guys can make money online in this video. All right, so if this is your first time to my channel, I want to say welcome. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Every time I create a new video, you're going to be the first one to know. And in this channel, I talk about how to make money online, passive income, affiliate marketing, and just different ways how to help as many people as possible. All right, so let me know in the comments where you're watching this from. I always want to know. And for my regulars, happy to have you here. Welcome back to another great video. So passive income. Everybody likes passive income because it's a great thing to have. And who wouldn't want to make money while they're sleeping, while they're on vacation, right? While they're probably traveling back and forth. And this gives you the opportunity to spend more time with your family, your loved ones, right? Maybe take more vacations, maybe, paid forward and help out people in your community and all that kind of stuff. So it is a great thing to have passive income. And in this video, I'm going to share 7 passive income ideas because there's a lot of people out there that are looking for passive income and they don't know how to get it, where to start. So this video is going to make things clear, crystal clear for you who are brand new, or if you're a seasoned professional, maybe you can add this to your bio as well. All right, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how it works, but make sure you watch this video till the end because I'm going to share with you my #1 recommendation of how to make passive income online. All right, so the first thing that I want you guys to do, you can start a blog. Blogging is great, and I know a lot of people said, well, I don't know what to write. I don't know where to start. It's okay. It's easier for you to create a blog with something that you love, something that you're passionate about, because it's going to be easier for you to find content. It's going to be easier for you to write about it because you love it. You're passionate about it. Most people try to get into something or start a blog and they don't have a clue about that specific niche. They don't have any interest and they just want to do it because, yeah, it's a great way to make passive income. And my wife has a blog and she's making money with her blog. And it is great because she started it in 2018 and it's picking up. And once you have a blog, you can have Google advertise on your blog. So Google will pay to advertise on your blog because there's people out there that want their ads to be placed on blogs, different blogs. So if you find a niche and you find something that you love, blogging is a great way to go. And over time, it's going to develop and then eventually it's going to become passive. So you're going to be getting like passive income. So that is just a wonderful idea. And if you don't know how to write, well, you can go on iWriter.com. There's people on there that will write for you if you do have the money to invest. If you don't have the money, again, stick with something that you love and it will be more easy for you. All right, so the next thing, #2 way of making passive income, you can find an ATM machine. Now, you could be an ATM vendor, and there's a lot of different websites. Just to name a few, these are some of the ads. Of course, you want to check them out and see, but you can become an ATM vendor. It all depends on where you live. So if you live in like a huge city, something that's hopping, or the city that you live in, it's not huge, but there's a good amount of people, this is a great way to have passive income because you could place these ATMs in different locations, such as like hair salons, right? Barber shop. There's restaurants, little food courts area. There is the malls that you can put them in. So there's different locations that you can add it. And what happened is when people start using those ATM to withdraw money, of course, every time they withdraw, you're going to make money and it's going to be passive income. So that's a great way to make passive income. #3 is you can write an ebook, right? Write an ebook, go for it. If you don't know how to write it, again, there's websites out there that will help you. So feel free to check out those websites, right? iWriter, there's There's a few different websites that I've listed on this channel as well. So if you want to go through here and see like freelancer.com is a great way you can find people that will write. So you can write an ebook and then you can publish it here on udemy.com. And once you publish it and then it starts to pick up, people will start to buy your book. And then once you start the book start getting higher ratings, of course you can bump up the price a little bit. You always want to start low. And your first book probably won't be a success. It's just a way of life. That could be your trial run. So don't go with high hopes saying, okay, I'm going to be making bank on this book. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it doesn't work. So you just got to be mindful of that. But this is a great place that you can sell your books. You can also sell your book on Amazon as well. So check out those two. The fourth way, I should say, fourth way is Etsy, right? Create an Etsy account. Start uploading images. Start putting things on here. There's like craft items. If you love it, you can start to upload your images onto Etsy. And the good thing is with Etsy, once you create it and you upload it, there's people on here that's going to shop. So people will buy products from you even when you're sleeping. That's why passive income is so great, because you can make money while you sleep. The internet doesn't sleep. There's people all over the world that will buy stuff from you. So just upload it. If you're a crafty person and this is your field, hey, have an Etsy account, set it up, and you could start to make bank. Number 5 way of passive income ideas. You can make passive income by getting cashbacks. So this app is called Ebates. Ebates is a great way how you can shop. You can go to Walmart and you can do shopping at Amazon, eBay, Macy's, Kohl's, Walmart. So you could sign up for this. You could sign up and you get like a $10 bonus. You can also refer your family or friends, people who you know. So you can refer and you earn $25 plus. So you get cash back in stores. So if I click on here, it will give you like some of the stores that you can get cash back. If you look here, there's like 2%, 2%. So while you're spending, you're getting money back. So this is a great way of making passive income because the money is coming in. So yes, you're spending, you're shopping. Most times you're out there, you're swiping your credit card, you're swiping away, but you don't get money back. So that's why these credit cards these days, they're starting to do like cash back because of these apps. These apps are, or a lot of people are signing up for them and they're getting a huge return. Likewise, people are getting a huge return. So people will more likely to sign up for Ebates because it's a great way to make passive income. If you look through here, it will give you the locations and it will tell you a lot of different stores. So if you go in there, use Ebates, while you shop, you get some money back. All right. So the next one I'm going to be talking about is number 6, right? Teesprings. You can sell T-shirts on Teesprings. I'm just going to pull this down for a little bit. So this, you could create an account. You don't have to have a specific website. The only thing you have to do is drive traffic to this specific website, right? How to drive traffic? You can create an Instagram account for one, because I do believe that images are good on Instagram. Yes, you can do well on Facebook and on other social media. But when it comes to, image, I said Instagram is a great way to go because people like looking at pictures. And if you're going to be advertising photos and pictures, and if you know more about how to drive traffic, again, stay with me to the end. I will share with you guys a way how you can drive traffic and where you can get some training on that. All right. So look here. There's people that create T-shirts. There's like staff pics. So you can click here by start designing. And if you don't know how to create T-shirts. It's okay. There's a website that's called Fiverr. So Fiverr.com, you go on here, you type in T-shirt designs. There's people on here that are designing T-shirts. I don't know what's your style. Maybe you have a specific unique style. Look at their reviews. This person have over 100 plus reviews, 50 reviews, right? All 5 stars. So if you want to come here, I'll create a T-shirt design it, come here, upload it. Once it's being sold, you're going to get money. So this is a great way how to make passive income, right? This is a great way. So make sure you check that out. Teesprings.com is just a great way. And then, of course, my number one recommendation is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is great. You can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing because it has no limit. And once you're plugged in, you're going to make bank. Now, at first, yes, it's going to require work, just like anything in life. A lot of people think that, okay, yeah, this is passive income. I don't have to do anything. In the beginning, it's going to require a lot of work. It's like a snowball going down the hill, and then it's going to get huge, and then that's where you're going to crush it. Now, there's a specific website that is called Legendary Marketer. This is a great website that will teach you how to be a marketer. As you can see, Legendary Marketer. So if you want to learn how to do Facebook ads, Instagram ads, you want to learn Google, you want to learn YouTube, you want to learn all that kind of stuff, they are offering a free 15-day challenge. So if you want to go do a 15-day challenge, click the link down below. I've been with this website for quite some time, and it is great. I've learned a lot. I've made money with their affiliate marketing program. They have a great affiliate marketing program as well. So feel free to check that out. So if you guys want to learn all this stuff about being a marketer, think about it. What if you can create your own ads agency where you can have people all over your country and you can advertise for local businesses in your town, and those businesses are paying you a $500 to $1,000 a month? What if you have 10 customers that you're running their Instagram account or your Facebook account or ranking them on Google? Now, what would that do for you, I should say? You'd make a ton of money. So think about it. Learn a skill that will teach you something that will pay you money right now, that will pay you money in the long run, that will create passive income time and time again. So if you want to learn more about Legendary Marketer, check out the link down in the description. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Those are like 7 passive income ideas. And I hope you do take these steps, and I hope you put them in place, and I hope you take action. And I hope this will be your year. This will be your year. All you have to do is step out in faith. You never know what's behind the other side of the door. All right. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Andre. Hope you enjoy this video. Peace.